Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Extrude and Fillet. So open your Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make the base here. Okay. So here is the sketch. We have the dimensions here. It is a rectangle with 75 millimeters by 100 millimeters. Okay. And we have this cut here. All dimension is here. So open the Fusion. Go to create a sketch and select the top plane. Select the 2-point rectangle. Click here in the center. Make a rectangle here 75 by 100 millimeters. Press OK. Now select a line. Click here. Make a line here with 20 millimeters. And create an arc here and another line here. OK. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between these two lines here is 12.5 millimeters. And the distance between the center of this arc and this point here is 25 millimeters. Okay. We made this. You can go to modify, select trim and cut this line. We have this profile, finish the sketch. We need to extrude this 15 millimeters, okay? The base here. So let's extrude this. Go to extrude, select this profile, 15 millimeters, the distance, and press OK. We made this. Okay. Now we will make this wall here, okay, in the left side. So to create this, we have the sketch here. So we'll make a line, an arc with 35 millimeters and another line here. And the distance between this point here and the midpoint is 75 millimeters. Okay. So let's create this. So go to create a sketch and select this face here. Go to create, select the project, include the project. The selection filter, select the bodies, select this body here and press OK. Now select line, make a line here, another line here, an arc, and a line here. Okay. This arc must be tangent with the both lines. So go to constraint, select tangent, select this arc and this line here, and this arc and this line. Now go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point and this point here is 75 millimeters. And this arc here has 35 millimeters of radius. Make this line a horizontal line. Okay, we made this. And finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this 15 millimeters, okay? The distance here. So go to extrude, select this profile, extrude to this side here, minus 15 millimeters, operation join, and press OK. We made this, okay. Now let's create this profile, okay. So we have the sketch here. So we will create this. We have all the dimensions here, okay? So the first thing that we make here, we'll go to create a sketch and select this face here. You can rotate this if you want, no problem. Look into the front plane and go to create and select the project, include the project, selection filter, bodies, select this body here and press OK. I will hide this body a little bit, okay? It is just for reference. So we will create a line here, an arc with 12.5 millimeters of radius and another line here. The distance between these 2 points, 40 millimeters, and the distance between this point and this one is 35 millimeters, okay? So select line, make a line here, go to create, select arc, 3-point arc, make an arc here. and select the line again, make a line here and close the sketch here. Now go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here, this point and this point here, okay? And go to constraint again, select equal, select this line and this one, and go to sketch dimension. The distance between these two lines here is 40 millimeters, and the distance between this line and this one is 35 millimeters. And this arc has 12.5 millimeters of radius. Okay, we made this. Now let's create this side here. Here we have a line, another line here, and this one. So the angle between this line here and this one, 45 degrees, and the distance between this line here and this one, 10 millimeters. Okay, and we have 45 millimeters here. So select line, click here, make a line here, another line, close the sketch here, make this a horizontal line, go to sketch dimension. The distance here must be 45, that's okay. The angle here, 45 degrees, and the distance here, 10 millimeters. And the distance here is 25 millimeters, okay? Okay, we made this. Now finish the sketch. Show the body one. We have this two profile. This area, we needed to extrude this 45 millimeters. So go to extrude, select this profile to this side, minus 45 millimeters. Press OK, operation join. Show the sketch 3 again. Go to extrude and select this profile here. We needed to extrude this area 15 millimeters, okay? Minus 15 millimeters. Then press OK. Hide the sketch 3. We made this, okay? Now we needed to add fillet to this part. All the fillets here, 3 millimeters in all edges, okay? So every edge here, 3 millimeters. So go to modify, select fillet, and select all this body. And the fillet here is 3 millimeters. And press OK. We made this, okay? Now I will add some color here. So press letter A in the keyboard. And I will select the faces here. Select some face. And we made this. And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.